Hi there, and welcome. Today we're diving into a fun and festive project that's perfect for adding a personal touch to your holiday gifts. First, head over to the Templates section in Studio and search for Christmas Gift Tag. You'll find a wide variety of editable templates ready to be personalized. Once you've found a design that catches your eye, click on Customize this template to get started. Now, although the designs are already pretty great, we're going to make them even more special by adding the names of your gift receivers. Just click on the text box, type in the names, and adjust the font and size to your liking. Next, let's switch things up a bit by replacing the existing graphics with some new ones. Head over to the Graphics tab and search for festive elements like Christmas, Santa Claus, or anything else that fits your theme. Once you're happy with your new tags, it's time to download them. And there you have it. Your custom, personalized Christmas gift tags are ready to print. Happy crafting and have a very Merry Christmas.